guys, today we're going to work on a Zentangle drawing project. But unlike some Zentangles we've done before, when you've been in art class with me, we're going to use color. So we're going to start by using our white square piece of paper, some black Sharpies, and either your crayons, markers, or colored pencils. We can use a combination of all of those. The first thing we're going to do is start with our Sharpie. We're going to put a dot in each corner of our paper. Once we have a dot in each corner of our paper, we're going to draw a wavy line between each dot to connect them. It's going to make an interesting abstracted square shape. Now that we have our abstracted square shape, we're going to break up that space by drawing some curved lines to make smaller sections. Now you're going to want probably between 8 and 12 sections to fill up with different patterns and designs. You can see how I'm overlapping these curved lines to make smaller sections. Before I go and start to add my different patterns, I decided that I want a thicker black line around the outside of my abstracted square shape. I'm going to just use my Sharpie and make that line a little bit thicker. Now that I've got my abstracted square drawn out and sectioned off into smaller sections, I can start adding patterns with my different colors. I can use crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever drawing material I would like. Now a pattern is simply something that repeats itself over and over and over again. I'm going to start this first one by simply drawing some straight lines with my green marker. Now you can make a pattern with lines or shapes or colors. I'm going to take my skinnier green marker and draw a skinnier line in between my thicker lines to make my pattern more interesting. Now we call these Zentangle drawings because it stems from the word Zen, which means to be in a relaxed state. Drawing these simple patterns over and over again is relaxing. We don't have to think too hard about it. We're just doing it, just drawing that same thing over and over again. Now you can see I'm using a crayon to add a little bit more color to the background. I'm drawing lightly with the crayon so it doesn't cover my marker lines. Now that I'm done with my first section, I'm going to start on my next section with a different pattern. Again, I can use markers, crayons, or colored pencils, or I can mix them together. Each section I do, I'm going to do a different pattern with different colors. It'll create a really interesting composition. Now, as I'm finishing up, you can see all the different patterns and designs I came up with. I can't wait to see what patterns and designs you guys come up with, and I hope you enjoy doing a nice, relaxing drawing.